Hi, my name is Cheyenne, and I will be discussing the risk management clause between the Vegetable Greenhouse Corporation and the Grocery Store Incorporation. So, the importance of having a risk management clause. So, why this is important is that both parties, while the contract is being made, can outline some potential risks that may happen and how they will deal with it. So, it also helps with outlining consequences of breaches in the contract and ways to protect both parties in case of unexpected losses. So, by having these clauses, it helps both sides to minimize legal disputes and it helps issues be fairly allocated. So, why would the Vegetable Greenhouse Corporation want a force majeure clause? So, the reason why they would want this is in case of things that happen that are out of their control, so they're able to protect themselves, such as natural disasters, for example. This clause will allow the Greenhouse Corporation to suspend or perhaps terminate the contract without having to go to court or have any legal penalties because of such situations. For example, if something like the COVID pandemic that happened a couple of years back were to happen and they were unable to deliver their products to the grocery store incorporation, they can terminate or suspend the contract until the pandemic is done, and then there will be no penalty on their side for them to pay them for this incident. So, why would the grocery store corporation want an amenity clause? That is so that they are protected from any losses from claims or damages caused by the Vegetable Greenhouse Incorporation's actions. So, what is an amenity clause? That is when a, one party of the contract is to pay for damages and losses to the next party just in case something were to happen. For instance, if perhaps while the delivery of the products to the grocery store, if there's been an accident and the whole supply is lost, they can invoke the clause, so then the Greenhouse Incorporation would have to pay them because of the supply that they lost during this time. So, an appropriation clause. So, this helps both parties because this helps make sure that in case of anything, any dispute or anything regarding the contract, it will go ahead without going into a lengthy court case or anything about this. With this clause, it makes everything go by fairly quickly, and both parties don't have to spend much money for lawyers or because how long it goes on. And then it also helps because if there is a dispute, this also helps both parties maintain the business relationship between the two parties while the issues do arise. And this is a great procedure because if anything were to happen, it'll help them still maintain the relationship, and so they don't have to go on and make another contract with another company as well. Thank you.